Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Planet Fitness membership, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your contract. Step 1. Review your membership agreement to understand the cancellation policy, including any required notice period and potential fees. Planet Fitness policies may vary by location. Step 2. Determine if you're still within any commitment period. If you signed up for a commitment contract, you may need to complete that term or pay an early termination fee. Step 3. Visit your home Planet Fitness location in person to cancel. While some locations now allow online or mailed cancellation, in-person is often the most reliable method. Step 4. Bring a valid photo ID to verify your identity and membership. This is required for processing the cancellation. Step 5. Go to the front desk and inform the staff that you want to cancel your membership. They will provide you with a cancellation form. Step 6. Fill out the cancellation form completely, including your name, membership number, contact information, and reason for cancelling if asked. Step 7. Review the cancellation terms carefully, including when your final billing will occur. Planet Fitness typically requires notice before your next billing date. Step 8. Sign and submit the completed cancellation form to the staff member. Ask for a confirmation copy or receipt showing that you submitted the cancellation request. Step 9. If cancelling by mail, send a certified letter to your home club's address with your cancellation request, member ID, and contact information. Keep the tracking receipt. Step 10. Check your bank or credit card statements to ensure no charges occur after the cancellation date. Contact the gym immediately if you see any unauthorized charges after cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.